Hey, design. This is Miss Stapp here with some asynchronous tasks for you to do today. There are going to be two things that you need to turn in today. One is a Microsoft form, and I'm going to go over that right now, and that is your reflection. By popular request, I've had students ask me to just write a little reflection. Last time, as you remember, we did a video. Today, for our criterion A for this podcast unit, I would like you to answer a question and probably at least two sentences. In fact, I said two sentences. If you want to write more, that would be great. I would love to hear your thoughts. Design A criterion was inquiring and analyzing. And so far, you investigated your target market situation. You constructed key research questions. You analyzed existing podcasts. And you formalized a solution to the problem. Now, we worked on some skills this time during this unit, things like citation, in-text citation, and an annotated bibliography, and refined some other skills that we already started with the last unit. So I would like you to think about at least one skill that you learned something new about, and that potentially you will use this in other subjects and other classes or on other projects. So tell me what that skill is, one. Then the next thing you need to do is explain to me how you think this skill will help you with these other subject classes or with these projects. So real short, I would like you to get your brain warmed up today by thinking about what we've done and how you can use those new skills moving forward. Now, where are you going to find this? That is an excellent question. Under your personal tab, I have dropped a podcast B1. At the very top of it, you will see a little list of things that we should do today. And you have that warm up is your reflection. And that is attached to this. It's under your formative tab in your personal section under your name, Podcast B1. At the very top will be your Microsoft form. Make sure you do submit it so that you get credit for this part of your formative. All right. The ATL for today is collect and analyze data in order to make informed decisions. And we've already started doing that. And the objectives for today, by the end of today, I hope that you can write clear specifications based on your research. And we already started this with the last unit. You guys did a really good job. We're just going to add a little bit more. Now, beyond stating the research, you're also going to add that why portion. And I'll go over that in our next video. The next objective is that you need to be able to explain the research results, which is what I just talked about. Why? Use words to put those thoughts down onto the paper, okay? Very clearly. I'm not asking you for more than one sentence on it, but think about using clear words that are very exact, very concise, all right? Don't worry about big vocabulary words. If you don't understand the word in your specifications, is probably not the place to use it. Okay, so now you know that you need to do this little Microsoft form, and your next video will talk you through the rest of the formative.